Hi, we'd just like to record a short video of AXIS following the demonstration that we provided yesterday to follow up on the question regarding how to configure and manage component sets within the system. Since the demonstration yesterday, Adept have provided a new release of the application, which includes the screens that were missing during the demonstration yesterday. So we can now go and show you how to configure new components and component sets within the system. So if we go into the configuration menu, you've now got the option to configure components, which brings up the screen showing a list of all the possible components that are currently configured in the system. To add a new component, it's just a simple case of going to the Add button, and in this case, let's just say, for example, we want to add oxygen as a new component in the system. So we just add the entry for O2, and we can give it a display order to determine the sequence that each of the components are displayed in the system. And then save that down. The new component's now available to be added to any of the component sets. So we can go to the Configure Component Sets screen now, and that allows us to view details of the existing component sets that have been configured. So the one that we primarily used yesterday, the demo component set, had the C1 to C5 plus components, and the other sets that are available in the system, the physical set, which contains a different subset of components. And we can also use the screen to create completely new component sets, which is particularly useful if you've got new assets or new functionality being added to the system that uses a different component set within their calculations. So in this case, we just click the New Set button. We can give that set a name. In this case, we'll just call it the Demo2 set, and then save that. And then we can add which individual components we want to include in that component set. So I'll just create a small set of components here. And let's say it goes up to C5 plus, and let's add our new oxygen component as well as an example here. So that's now created the new component set called Demo2. Now that we've created our new component set, we can go to the data point configuration screen. And in this case, let's say, for example, we want to change the component set against this particular data point. So it's currently on the demo data point. We can now select to switch it onto the Demo2 data point and save that down. Now whenever we go to the periodic data screen, we can select that data point, and if we go into the components, we can now see it's got the set of components that we've just configured through the screen.